Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is me Anurupa and today I'm here with another video. So guys, after a long time I'm here and now I'll be very much consistent in my videos and I want your attendance in my videos. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ my place where I stay and this is a beautiful compound and most of you know about this. I know whoever is in Silchar. So guys, हमको आज आपको मैं दिखाऊंगी our beautiful compound. So I hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned with me till the end of this video. Taking a walk. Today is Sunday and because it's Sunday आज बहुत बहुत सारे चर्च होते रहते हैं हमारे कंपाउंड में. This is a pastor quarter and this is a new building which is here. यहाँ पे सब quarters हैं. अंदर में आपको बहुत सारे quarters मिल जाएंगे which is actually it's a residential place. A church guys. So this is a Presbyterian church. So look at this is a Presbyterian church. This is a Presbyterian Bengali church actually. तो यहाँ पे बंगाली लैंग्वेज से ही चर्च होता है एंड इसके बाद यहाँ पे there are many other चर्चेस जो होते रहते हैं. आपको मैं थोड़ा दिखाना चाहती हूँ ये चर्च अंदर जाके एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल चर्च. ऑब्वियसली हर चर्च बहुत सुंदर होता है एंड ये बहुत ही पुराना चर्च है. आप देख सकते हो ये बहुत ही पुराना है. इवन आप अगर देखोगे कि यहाँ का जो द डोर्स एंड एवरीथिंग जो है ये बहुत ही पुराना है. बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे. यू नो व्हाट, यही चर्च में मेरी मम्मी पापा का भी शादी हुआ है. सो you know this church is very special and look at this beautiful church guys. देखिए यहाँ ये है हमारा चर्च. ये है पीछे से है ये हमारा beautiful church and ये थोड़ा मैं आपको अंदर जाके दिखाती हूँ. बहुत ही पीसफुल है. ये है सामने जब क्रिसमस होता है बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं. इनफैक्ट ये जो वरांडा आप देख रहे हो दिस इज़ ऑल फुल. आई मीन जगह ही नहीं रहता है बैठने का. सो इतना ज़्यादा लोग हो जाते हैं एंड वी रियली एन्जॉय इट गाइस. शायद यू नो सारा सिलचर घूम के शायद अगर आप यहाँ पे आओगे तो आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा ट्री देखोगे क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे ट्री प्रिजर्व करके नॉट प्रिजर्व बट या ऑफ कोर्स वी कीप ट्रीज एंड वी प्लांट ट्रीज हियर एंड मे बी दिस इज़ वन ऑफ अ रीज़न कि यहाँ हमारे कंपाउंड में बहुत सारे पुराना भी यू नो ट्रीज़ है एंड बिकॉज दिस इज़ वन ऑफ अ रीज़न कि यहाँ पे समर के टाइम भी इतना ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं लगता है. एंड अगर आप सारा सिलचर घूम के आओ फिर अब क्या इफ़ यू come inside you will feel the difference, you know. So I feel like you know we should plant more trees around हमारे surrounding maybe so that we get that kind of what do I say, that environment and we can protect our environment. So that is very very much important. और हम ये सबको every one of us have to take this initiative to make this beautiful planet more beautiful. Look at this. I would say this हर जगह पे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है. बहुत सारे यू नो बिल्डिंग्स है बट द जो डिफरेंस हमारे कंपाउंड में दिखते हैं या फिर हम देखते हैं दैट इज़ दैट यहाँ पे ट्रीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा हैं एंड दैट इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस प्लेस ट्रूली स्पीकिंग. आई एम बेसिकली आई लव मोर ट्रीज़ एंड बहुत ज़्यादा यू नो जब you know there are more trees and stuff like that actually that just makes the whole environment and the place more beautiful and calm and quiet. And this is one of the reason that we can see here that it is so beautiful, right? Because everywhere you will see more infrastructures like more buildings and everything, but the most important thing that makes the whole surrounding pretty is because of the trees that is here. See right there, isn't it beautiful guys? See so these are the beautiful you know ways कि हम हमारा environment भी protect कर सकते हैं at the same time how beautiful it looks like, right? So I would tell everyone, encourage everyone कि please plant more trees. अगर ज़्यादा space नहीं है एक दो प्लांट कर दीजिए, 2-3 प्लांट कर दीजिए. एटलीस्ट वो गर्मी नहीं लगेगी, राइट? नहीं तो सिलचर में आजकल तो रहना ही मुश्किल हो गया है. इतना गर्मी ड्यूरिंग द टाइम्स ऑफ द समर. I mean what to say, isn't it? If you are from Silchar you will know it, right? Look at this beautiful tall, I don't know any of the name of the trees. So you see that the blue sky and the green leaves has just covered the whole thing and so beautiful it is. ये है हमारा पार्किंग लॉट। यहाँ पे हम जितने भी हम रहते हैं, whoever are staying in the compound and whoever owns a car, उन सब का गाड़ियाँ यहाँ पे ही रखते हैं हम। सो हमारा गाड़ी भी है यहाँ पे। सो ये सब है क्वार्टर्स। यहाँ पे बहुत सारे क्वार्टर्स हैं। मैंने आपको जैसे मेंशन किया है, these are very old quarters. Don't judge the building because this is the beauty of this place and that is very aesthetic, and I feel like for this is one of a reason कि हमारा कंपाउंड इतना सुंदर लगता है. It's not a very tall and cool and very ऐसे बिल्डिंग्स का बात नहीं है, but the thing is that the most important thing that makes uniqueness जो आता है वो वही है कि यहाँ का जो simplicity है, at the same time how beautifully everything is decorated and how beautifully it is kept. So that is I really appreciate it. And यहाँ पे जितने भी हम रहते हैं, everyone is very hard working and they all love to keep our compound clean. ये देख सकते हैं नीचे, you see that how beautiful everything is. So yeah, so are you enjoying this video, guys? Please comment and let me know. You see that how beautifully the plants, how beautiful the plants are, and how beautifully it has been planted. It has been planted by our dear P baby, and she loves planting, I guess, and she is having a wonderful garden. See this beautiful one. So I have heard a lot from many people that they if they have never seen the inside of this compound and they really don't know how it looks like or what it is. So guys, I'm just giving you a little bit of glance that you can see, you can picturize, and you can understand that how it looks like and how beautiful it is. So guys, let me know in the comment section below कि आपको ये जगह कैसा लगा, and let me know how is my beautiful place where I'm staying. Isn't it peaceful, guys? So I'm happy for the fact that although our quarter is not very big, the house that we live in, but we have a very big compound and a big space for our daughter to play, to have a wonderful childhood, I guess. So we are really thankful to God for everything. Some more quarters and bungalow out there, and I'll take you to the bungalow upstairs, I mean in the hilltop of our compound. So guys, you see that how beautiful it is. So here Kishan, my husband, they play badminton here, and this is a place for the badminton, and also यहाँ पे tournament भी होते हैं, and they really enjoy it. So this is some good space for the playground and everything. So guys, I took you around my beautiful place where I stay, and I know I'm very excited about it, and I'll be very consistent from now on in my videos. So guys, I request and I really want your presence in my videos, so that you watch and you comment and like my video, and I want to know how you have been waiting for my videos, and I'm very much excited to be more consistent in my videos now. And because I could not be on time for a long time because my daughter is small, so she's still very young, so that is the reason it is difficult for me to be very consistent in the videos. But now that she has she's 2 years old, and now I know I can be consistent, and I'll be able to give more time. And so guys, let me know how is this video, and how is the place that I live in, and how peaceful it is, and do you like this video or not, and what kind of videos you want to watch. Please let me know. I'll be so happy to make such videos and come to you. So thank you so much, Lord, for all the love, for all the appreciation, and for everything. So guys, thank you so much, and all the best. Have a wonderful time. Bye.